The blushing philodendron is a beautiful evergreen plant with a tragic origin. Legend has it that a couple could not stay together because of family opposition. They were ready to elope, but unfortunately died in an accident. Two plants sprouted where they died. These plants had exquisite red buds that were wrapped in multiple layers of green leaves. These were the first blushing philodendrons. The blushing philodendron is named for its distinctive blushing red flowers that bloom throughout summer and autumn. Though the origin is tragic, the lovely colors and elegant heart-shaped leaves still make this plant a symbol of friendship and love. However, you should be careful with blushing philodendrons as they are toxic when ingested due to the presence of calcium oxalate. For this reason, make sure your plants are kept away from children and pets to avoid accidental consumption. Blushing philodendron is good for planting in courtyards and gardens, and potted plants can be displayed in lobbies, entryways, and other places. If you live in a cold or temperate climate, you will have to cultivate your blushing philodendron indoors as a houseplant. Growing a blushing philodendron is easy as long as you give it everything it needs. Since it is native to tropical regions, this plant prefers warm environments with at least 80% humidity. Make sure to place this plant in a location with sufficient light but also a bit of shade. Plant your blushing philodendron in loose, fertile soil that is slightly acidic. Water frequently to keep the soil and plant moist. The blushing philodendron is a gorgeous plant that adds nice color and exotic flair. With proper care, your blushing philodendron may even add a bit of love or friendship to your home.